Here's how to Zenithal Highlight without an airbrush. Zenithal highlighting isn't as hard as it seems if you don't have an airbrush or ran out of spray paint. First, base your mini in some sort of primer. I use Vallejo Surface Black. Thin your paint a little with water, and using a big brush, cover the whole mini. Then, do it again. Next, using a soft brush, you're ready to add the Zenithal Highlight. Someone else's makeup brush is perfect for dry brushing. Dry brush on some white. To do that, dip your brush into some white paint, wipe nearly all of it off onto a paper towel, then lightly sweep the brush against the model in a mostly downward direction. This simulates light catching the edges. Dry brush to a point where it really brings out details. That's all there is to it. When a mini is completely black, I find it hard to see details. Zenithal highlights are a great way to make the details pop, therefore easier to see. Alternatively, you can use spray paint to lightly spray the mini from above. Thanks for watching. Comment down below with any feedback or suggestions on future videos. Like and subscribe if you found this helpful. Alright, bye-bye.